Hello and welcome to chest and bicep workout. We're going to incorporate interval training, push and power. They're going to end up with core exercises, and then we're going to go into meditation, visualization, and some goal setting. I hope you're ready for a great workout. Are you guys ready? All right, we're going to start warm up, jogging in place, nice and soft on your feet. Remember, this is just a workout, so have fun. And make sure you have water, towel, and most importantly, amazing attitude. So we're gonna switch from running to butt kicks. So bring your heels up to your butt. All right, here we go. Remember, just breathe. And if you're working at home, most likely you will, just be light in your feet because probably your kids are still sleeping. Maybe your husband is still sleeping. Back to running. Here we go. Woo. And one thing you can do that will make your workout a lot easier, change your thinking from I have to do this to I get to do this. I'm thinking to you. That alone will help you tremendously throughout this workout. All right, butt exercise again. Breathe. Light in your feet. All right, slowly down. We're gonna move up to the next exercise. Breathe and bring your palms up. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna push your palms up towards the ceiling and gonna bring your knee up as well. Ready, set, guys? Here we go. And how are you doing? Beautiful. So make sure you engage your abs, suck your tummy in, and really imagine like you're pushing something heavy towards the ceiling. So remember, this is just a warm-up. I'm sweating already. Not even 2 minutes in. That's very good. Breathing. That's very, very important. Get that blood flowing. Energy. Yep, keep on going. Not gonna slack here on me. Very good. Beautiful. Breathe. Breathe. All right, here we go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, we're gonna go with pivot lunge for about 45 degrees each way. So we're gonna lace our fingers at home. So lace your fingers right here. And as we're gonna do side to the lunge, you're gonna turn your fingers out. So to the side and ready, set, guys. Here we go. Lunge, back in. Push, back in. And exhale as you do the lunge to the side. And come back. And come back. Knee goes almost to the floor, but not quite. Excellent. Just really notice Catherine. She's doing a beautiful job. Her knee is going forward, but not further than toes. David, excellent work right there. Breathe and really get the stretch in. And 10 more seconds. Beautiful. Excellent. And 5, 4, 3, and you're gonna go into jumping jacks. Ready? Let's go. Here we go. You know good old jumping jacks. An amazing thing about workouts, there are really no real new things or new tricks or gimmicks. It's just hard work and persistence, guys. Remember that as you go through the workouts. Keep on breathing. Halfway through. And bring your arms about where you touch at the top. Excellent. Yes, it's so good, like you rehearsed or something. It's amazing. Beautiful energy. And we have 20 seconds to go. Beautiful. Are you warming up? I hope you are, because I am. All right. Awesome. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and here we go, guys. Let's go into lunges. Like you're gonna give a hug to somebody. You're so excited to see them, but then you change your mind and you don't give them a hug. Kind of mean, but I like it sometimes. There we go. Beautiful. Nice and wide. Palms open. I hope you're having fun, because we are, right? Guys, are you having fun? Good. I was a little worried there. Here we go. Halfway through. Breathe. And let's check your knees. Beautiful. You don't want to go further than your toes. Just notice that. David, beautiful. Nice and deep. Drive that knee to the ground. 15 more seconds. Beautiful. I'm going to jump in with you guys. And 10 more seconds. Nice and wide. You got it. Last few. Here we go. And last one, guys. All right.